Hello, Sick Group Galaxy here, talking about frequencies and how alarm clock, how I don't really understand them, and I'm trying to. I understand a little bit of the FM and TV, analog frequencies. That's really it. This is what I'm getting at. Weather radio. Okay. 1 is from Michigan. 2 is from Ontario, where I live. So Ontario, Canada. There we go. I said it in French. You're not hearing anything on 3, right? 5 is coming in decent. Green Bay. I'm going to Google that after now with the NOAA weather system getting all over the place. Listen to 8. Let me turn TV on now, shall I? Come on, remote. There we go. Get ready. Okay. So as you can hear, 8 is going complete scramble and going near TV. And you can't hear anything on 3. When I shut the power bar off, I'm sorry, it's really close to the mic, I just realized. There you go. Now my phone's probably interfering with it. But earlier I heard 3. It's a little better. What am I interfering with over here? Okay, so you can now hear 3. What is cutting in with 3? Holy crap, nothing's plugged in now. But if you had to, you could hear 3. 2 and 1 are clearer. 4, you can hear something now. 5. 8, less whistling. Turn the TV back on. Well, plug it back in, basically. Alarm clock got to reset back up after. Okay. Turn the TV back on, shall I? Come on. There we go. Video transmitter got knocked offline too. I'll explain more about that in a second. Probably the transmitter is what is knocking these out. Oh, we're back up. Okay. Ooh, hello. No 3. 2 sounds like crap. 3's gone. 4's gone. 5's just coming in. 8's hissing and buzzing. Story's not done yet. Oh, the noise at 11? Wow. DXing weather radio. Let's scan. I know on 22 used to not, my tablet used to interfere with it, and one of my phones used to mess around with channel 12, I think, or 4. Let's just put it right next to the transmitter, see if that'll cut in and cut out. Looks like it's not. Okay. Let's turn the radio off for now. I'll do some logs after with that. Write it in my handy-dandy notebook. Now we're going to turn on an air conditioner. Watch what happens to the TV. The wireless receiver, broadcaster, that is. LG thing. There you go. It knocked it offline completely. I had to reset it like 2 times. So let's just put the fan on the air conditioner at least. Do another reset. I feel good. And it should come back on. To turn TV on, sure it might. Dead batteries. Yay. I need AAA's in this house. Okay. fragile. Sorry for everything being out of focus, just like my eyes. No signal. Should come on in a couple minutes. I had the fan on, it still worked. So yeah, it's that temperamental. This wireless equipment. Oh yeah, speaking of wireless equipment. Okay, radio frequencies and that. Channel 17. Let's turn the alarm clock radio up just a little bit.
23, just 2 minutes after you left it.
But you don't think Lois killed him, or that I did?
It's not a policy of mine, Mr. When Kurt... Or...
This is my house transmitter picking TV up downstairs. But the buzzing and squawking was from the radio. There we go. Two-way, that is. So yeah. And also, on some AM stations, I can actually hear cell phone audio. I'm not saying listen to phone calls, and that's not what I'm saying at all, but I don't remember if the Sony Xperia does it. But I know Samsung and LG phones have different frequencies. I wrote all them down somewhere. I think I made a video about it in the past. I call it Redneck Bluetooth. I might never uploaded it. But basically, got a smartphone like the one I have in my hand. Let's use there we go. Let's use this Sony Xperia phone for example. Put it near or on the radio gently. Okay. And anything playing through the speaker, like alarm or ringtone or music or video, you'll hear through the audio on certain AM frequencies. Has to be really close to the radio though, or just by the antenna, or hugging or touching the radio to work. And I'm thinking, people say radiation in cell phones aren't harmless, harmful. I mean, aren't harmless, are harmful. Well, if an AM radio can pick it up and actually play the audio, like you can hear words, like you're trying to play music, it's muffled crap, but you can still hear the words. What I have done before, I've covered the speaker in this phone is actually broken, so a good example. I should try that after. Cover the speaker on the phone with tape. Then, hey, we're back up. And crank the phone as loud as it goes, or almost as loud as it goes. Turn the radio up just right and screw out the frequency, and bing, it plays through it decently. So yeah. Air conditioner knocking out the LG wireless ready transmitter. TV and everything else interfering with two-way radios. Weather band frequencies. I'm gonna look up some of those frequencies after. Two-way radio interfering with an alarm clock. I think it's everything. I think that's everything. Well, that's a tablet right there that interferes. It's off or dead, probably. That's a tablet right there that interferes with this radio, actually. So, yeah. Frequencies and interference, I understand and don't understand. Oh, yeah, another one. My old Linksys Wi-Fi router. It's downstairs, but everyone knows I'm talking about the blue and black one with the little black antennas. Is it in here? No, it's downstairs. It used to have interference issues with my FM radio around 93 to about 94, 95 FM. And I used to listen to Always 90, I still do, Always 93.9 and Eagle 95.1. And those two stations will always cut out thanks to my Linksys Wi-Fi router. What else do I complain about? I've had some computer speakers and actually a tape player like this, but I don't have it anymore. Something like this, but even more primitive. Like this one actually has built-in radio and stereo, mono, AM, FM. AM? Yeah. Yeah, okay. Just a normal one that really died again. Just another one that, just a basic one that connected, like, you put a tape in and play through your headsets or speakers. You would use an old Nokia cell phone. It would make a high-pitched buzzing noise over it. So yeah, frequencies between everything. Things I understand, don't understand. I have to set it up. It's going to drive me insane. I'm really picky about time. Bye for now. Thanks for watching. I'm out of time. Subscribe. Remember, no signal. You should always signal at a red light or green light.